Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faustina. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful tips on how you can make your woman think about you all day. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Tip number 1, make her laugh. Laughter is the best medicine, and it works wonders when it comes to charming. Studies make us know it's a guy who can make a girl laugh that beats out any other type of guy. Yes, no matter how much money you make, laughing help her distress. So please make sure you always make your woman laugh. Tip number 2, be her hero. Whenever she's in trouble or worried about something, don't just sit there with her. Acknowledge that you have all these answers and that you may not know exactly what she is going through, but try to help make the situation better for her. Tip number 3, be mysterious. Let her wonder what you are doing. Do not post everything that you are doing every single second, like what you are eating, what you are wearing. Instead, post things less if you are active on social media. Number 4, surprise her. Okay, you don't need to take her on a romantic picnic or lay under the star. Of course you can do that if you want to, but it's not necessary. Surprise don't need to be big or fancy, but ladies just need to have some efforts put into them. Surprise her with anything she really likes or something that reminded you of her. Tip number 5, don't be predictable. This is the most important. You want to show an imbalance, meaning you should have things going on in your life. Your goals and aspiration are important to you. She will find this attractive and want to attract you. Also, don't respond too early to her text. Make her wait to get excited to see your name pops up on her phone. Tip number 6, compliment her the right way. There is a right and a wrong way when it comes to compliments. The wrong way is calling her juicy ass, sexy bitch. I mean, come on there. There are a better way to compliment a woman. Honestly, if you treat her like she is a piece of meat, you are not going to get far. But if you compliment her in a way that shows respect, those words will stick in her mind. You have to compliment your lady. Sometimes you have to say something sweet to her. You can say how her voice sounds. You can say, oh baby, your voice sounds good. Baby, I like the dress that you're wearing. Some of the guys don't compliment on their ladies when they are around with them. You can say, baby, I like how your body is. I like your hair. I like your skin color. I like your eye. I like the type of dress you're wearing. Tip number 7, be charming. You must at least have some kind of charm to appeal to a woman. Most men are charming in a couple different ways. Some are be a gentleman. This means open doors, paying for a date, etc. Be intelligent. Women like men who are smart, so you should do your best to be well read, informed about your current affairs. If you want your woman to think about you, just follow the tips, and in no time at all, you will have her thinking about you all day. If you like this video, please kindly hit the like button, subscribe if today is your first time visiting, and I will see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.